An excellent opportunity for those interested in graduate studies was to attend the Graduate Open House for Fall 2019 at AUC. Students went to explore programs offered in various fields such as science, engineering, humanities, social sciences, management, and education through information sessions and departments booths.
I thought about doing something different to attract people, so I bought a board and wrote what is philosophy in Arabic and English, and I asked people to come and write what they know about philosophy, and after they write a word or a phrase about what is philosophy and sign beneath it, I start to introduce them to our MA program and to philosophy in general.
As AUC offers over 50 master and PhD degrees, as well as over 20 graduate diplomas, this event allowed students to meet directly with AUC graduate admission representatives, attend program-specific sessions, and discuss program information with faculty members from the programs of interest. There was also a chance to learn about the various fellowships and financial aid opportunities that can help finance a wide range of degrees, along with other common questions.
Maybe they just ask if they did not get, for example, the minimum GPA, the good, can they still apply, and what are the requirements? When will I know, or when will I be notified that I got accepted in the program or the fellowship degree, the fellowship award letter? They just expect to be notified quickly, and they want to know what will happen. So when we tell them in Jan, they said, oh, it's going to be, it's 3 months from now.
This event is considered to be a marketing tool for each program, designed to attract students, both new and continuing, to complete their academic degrees here. Yet, some department representatives wish to expand such experience on an international level as well.
Some kind of outreach that we do at international venues. For example, there are many of these really big international academic conferences. One that I can think of is the Middle East Studies Association in North America. And these are places where there are hundreds and hundreds of scholars gathered to give conference papers. And if we were to set up a booth for AUC and its programs at one of these kinds of venues, I think it would be well worth the very minimal investment that it would cost us as an institution.
Applications to start graduate studies in the fall semester are due on February 1st for early admission consideration. But if you would like to start in the spring, you have up until October 15th to apply. All information related to admission requirements and procedures can be found on the university's official website. This is Maha El Rayess for AUCTV, New Cairo Campus.